Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming these seemingly useless old batteries into a powerful, versatile tool. I'm starting with a container of old batteries, some of which are no longer useful for their original purpose. My goal is to salvage useful components that we can repurpose into something truly amazing. I'm picking out a small cylindrical battery, as inside these, we often find a valuable carbon rod. I'm carefully dismantling this old battery using pliers and utility knife. This rod is crucial for our project due to its excellent conductive properties, which we'll leverage for high heat generation. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'm now cleaning the carbon rod thoroughly using tissue. This ensures good electrical conductivity and removes any unwanted residue from the battery chemicals, preparing it for optimal performance in our new tool. Next, I'm taking my drill and inserting the clean carbon rod into the chuck. I'm using sandpaper to sharpen the end of the carbon rod while it spins in the drill. This is a critical step because a sharp point will concentrate the electrical energy, allowing for efficient heating and cutting later on. A finer tip means more focused heat. After sharpening, I give a final clean with a tissue to ensure the tip is perfectly conductive and free from any abrasive particles. Similarly, I'm repeating the process to get another carbon fiber bar. Here I have a long bolt, some washers, and nuts. These will serve as a structural and electrical framework for our device. The bolt provides the main body, and the washers and nuts will secure the carbon rods and provide contact points. I'm starting by adding 2 washers to the bolt, then screwing a nut onto it. I install 2 sharpened carbon rods and tighten the nuts to secure them. I'm using pliers to tighten everything securely, making sure the carbon rods are positioned at an angle like a pair of pincers. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Now for the wiring. I'm taking a red electrical wire and stripping a small section of its insulation. The exposed copper strand will be our first contact point, as copper is an excellent conductor. I'm twisting the copper strands around one of the nuts on the bolt to establish a solid electrical connection. A good, tight connection here is vital for efficient current flow. Next, I will secure the red wire with electrical tape to insulate it, preventing any short circuits and ensuring safety. At the other end of the red wire, I'm stripping off the outer insulation and attaching a washer. This washer will help the tool connect more easily to the power source. Next, I take a white wire. Just like with the red wire, I will strip the insulation from the end of the wire and twist it tightly around the washer. This completes the electrical circuit for our device. Here, I have a powerful Makita 18V battery. I'm connecting the washers to its positive and negative terminals. This battery will provide the high current needed for our tool, turning it into a portable power source for our welding or cutting tasks. I've set up 2 metal blades on a piece of wood. I'm clamping one blade with alligator clip to complete the circuit. Watch what happens when I touch the other carbon rod to the metal blade. See that intense light and sparks? That's the concentrated energy in action. Our homemade device is generating enough heat to quickly melt and weld through metal, proving its effectiveness. It's incredible how effective this simple setup is for quick metal work. You can clearly see how the blades fuse together where the carbon rods make contact, indicating high heat. Let's try it on these nuts. I'm clamping one nut with clip and touching the carbon rod to nut. Look at that instant heating and fusing. This really showcases the power and versatility of our salvage carbon rod tool. You can see how the nuts are literally melting and fusing together, creating a solid bond almost instantly. Our incredible multifunctional tool, made from salvage battery parts and a few hardware store items. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity, you can achieve amazing things, even transforming waste into a valuable asset. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.